Should small businesses in Singapore register for GST voluntarily? In Singapore, businesses with annual taxable turnovers exceeding or are likely to exceed 1 million Singapore dollar from the sale of taxable goods and services are required to register for goods and services tax. If your company's annual taxable turnover does not exceed 1 million Singapore dollar, it is generally up to you to decide if you wish to register your business for GST voluntarily. Why do some businesses register for GST voluntarily? There are 4 main reasons why businesses should register for GST voluntarily. If your suppliers are mostly GST registered. If your suppliers are mostly GST registered, it makes financial sense to register for GST because you will be able to recoup or claim the GST that you paid when buying goods or services from these suppliers. If your customers are mostly GST registered. If most of your customers are GST registered, you will be able to increase your sale prices to include GST as your customers will be able to claim the GST that they incurred. If you make sales to overseas customers. If you have been selling goods and services to overseas customers, you will not have to charge them GST. This is because the export of goods and services are zero rated in terms of GST. This will benefit you as you will be able to claim GST on the supplies you bought from GST registered suppliers. If you wish for more business credibility. Since businesses are required to register for GST if their annual taxable turnover exceeds or is likely to exceed $1 million, you can create the impression that your company is well established with an annual taxable turnover of more than $1 million if you registered for GST. Should I voluntarily register for GST? Deciding if you should register for GST voluntarily is a critical business decision. With sound reasoning and proper planning, your business will be able to reap the benefits of GST registration. A lack of planning, however, may result in non-compliance and the waste of valuable resources to make right your GST returns. At Corporate Services Singapore, our professional tax specialists will guide you in determining whether GST registration is ideal for your business setup. For professional advice on making the best out of Singapore's GST tax regime, talk to us today.